It is a big day. Oh my God. Right outside, oh shit, is a new bodyboard. Oh my. I have not gotten a new bodyboard in 7 years. Oh, there we are. Completely stoked right now. In all its glory. Let's open this thing. The big reveal. There she is. Woo-hoo-hoo. So we got a Pride, the realist. There she is. Sick logo. 40 inches and PP core. Oof. Guys, this is my first PP core board. Also got this sick day trip bag just to help keep the board out of the sunlight. And we got a couple more, 2 more things in here. Get them out. We got this leash board. Sick. Neon green. Going all out on the green. And then we got this hoodie. Pride hoodie. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Cozy. Cozy, cozy hoodie. Man. All right, now for the best part. Board feels sick. Good weight. Good size. Got a 40 inch. Woo! We just need to put the leash on this bad boy. Screwdriver, lighter. Let's go. All right, here it is. Jeez. Good to go. Woo. So stoked on this board, guys. Cannot wait to try it. Stoked on this gear. Awesome board bag to store it in. So yeah, guys, that is the new ride. I'm hoping to go bodyboarding in a couple days from now. So get this bad boy in the water in some good waves. That is the board I got. Pride, the realist. Can't wait to try it out. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And stay tuned for more bodyboarding content. Peace, guys.